morning, students. We will continue the lesson 18, Great Invention. As I have informed you, this is the last chapter of your portion. We have already done all the chapters. And in the previous class, I have told you about few of the inventions. And we learned invention and discovery difference. Invention is what? When you create something new. Discovery means already something is existing, you search it out. Okay, so invention means creating something new. So our life became very comfortable when some of the scientists, because of their experiments, new things came up and our lives became very easy, whereas we had to travel long hours, be disconnected with the world, what is happening around the world, all that we come to know. And we know many more things in our life has made our life, from transportation, electronic gadgets. So we know our life is easy. So we learned in the previous class about few of the inventions. We had learned about whom? We had learned about the invention of paper, otherwise how we will note down the information and thoughts. So paper was invented by a Chinese man, Tianlun, and printing press by John Gutenberg. Then you have computer also. In computer, Charles Babbage. In computer classes, you have already learnt about who was the founder. There was an analytical engine made, and there were different machines also connected. Like now you have computer, many things are connected with your CPU is there, monitor is there, keyboard is there, many things are there connected with computer. As the generation passed, computer has changed. Many new things have come and it has become more easy. And next you have got today whatever computer you are using, laptops you are using, is very refined and fine because it has crossed through many generation changes. So today we are going to learn about telephone. Who has invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, so the telephone was invented in March 1876. March 1876 by Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, so what is the year? The year is 1876. Okay, so in 1876 he invented it. The invention of telephone, as we know, the telephone has become a boon to us. Boon means a blessing. Okay, boon means a blessing. Otherwise, if you want to inform something, you have to write a letter, तार लिखना है, letter लिखना है, उसको पहुँचने में कितने दिन लग जाते थे. So telephone was a or is a boon, a blessing to everyone. It's most popular and widely used means of communication and literally changed the world. So we know very famous. In communication, you have got newspaper, you have letters, you have TV, so many things. But today in all this, the most famous one is telephone. There are different ways have come. You have got wireless, you have walkie-talkie, we have mobiles now. So these all have come up, but still there are some places where you can find the telephone with a wire. So there have been numerous modifications in the structure and designs of the telephone. As you can see, olden days telephone used to be very different looking, okay? Different designs were there. Okay, as you can see in the picture in your book also. As time passed, the changes came in designs also. Alright. So even though cell phones and wireless technology has more applicable nowadays, but there are some places where you find the telephones with wire. So we should be grateful to Alexander Graham Bell, who invented telephone, and in the modification in the telephones only we have got wireless, walkie-talkie, mobile and so many things. Alright. And nowadays there are some offices and some homes, they still keep the wired telephones also. Okay, next we have steam engine. Now steam engine was invented by a Scottish engineer. Scottish means from Scotland. Okay, a man from Scotland. So what is the name? Steam engine was invented by James Watt. He was a Scottish engineer. Scottish means from Scotland. When? In second half of the 18th century, which became truly viable of machinery that helped the industry. So it was very good thing for running the machines. We use, अभी हमको मशीन चलानी होती है तो हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज़ करते हैं, डीजल यूज़ करते हैं, पेट्रोल, many ways are there ना. Now before, if you have to run machines, they used to use steam. भाप से, जैसे पहले ट्रेन चलती थी ना, कोयला डालते थे, उसकी भाप से, स्टीम से इंजन चलता था. So steam engine is a heat engine that makes use of potential energy that exists as pressure in the steam. So steam engine क्या होता है? Steam engine एक heat engine होता है जो use करता है potential energy को जो already exist है, और प्रेशर से वो स्टीम में कन्वर्ट होके मैकेनिकल वर्क कराती है, मशीन को काम करने में मदद करती है. सो स्टीम इंजन्स वर यूज्ड इन पंप्स, रनिंग ऑफ पंप्स, लोकोमोटिव्स, ट्रेन्स एंड ऑल. जो गाड़ियाँ होती थी उनको चलाने के लिए स्टीम यूज होती थी. स्टीम इंजन वॉज यूज फॉर रनिंग द शिप्स एंड बोट ऑल्सो. So since because of the steam engine only, railways line, okay, railway transportation came a long way from trains run to diesel to electric. अब हमारे पास कैसी ट्रेनें, पहले तो स्टीम इंजन से चलती थी, कोयला डाल के स्टीम से. अब हमारे पास ट्रेन है जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से, डीजल से चलती है. ओके, सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट हैज़ रीच टुडे बुलेट ट्रेन. So अभी olden days used to have, we had to walk on foot, okay, for traveling long distance. Then came invention by James Watt, the steam engine. उसकी help से trains चलने लगी. And then there came modification in trains. Trains run by electricity, diesel. Nowadays we have fast train. What type of trains we have? Bullet trains and GTV trains. GTV trains means train with great, we say that means very great, train with great speed. Okay, so the trains are called high speed train, running presently at the speed of about 300 to 600 kilometer per hour. So we have trains, GTV trains, we have also bullet trains which run with a great speed, which can cover 3 to 600 kilometer of distance within hours. Okay, so from where it started? It started from the steam engine. Okay, steam engine के invention से ही trains चलना शुरू हुई और फिर उसमें modifications आए. Okay, that is about your steam engine. We have learned only two inventions today. One, telephone, steam engine. Computer already have learned in the smaller classes, but still computer was invented by Charles Babbage. All right. Okay, and there are many modifications came in the computer as generations passed, and we have very modified system of computer today. Then we have learnt about telephone, who invented, when invented, what are the modifications made in the telephones, and still there we find, there are places we find telephone with the wire. Then steam engine, trains were run, pumps were run, other locomotives were run, other vehicles were run, and then with this steam engine only some other modification came, running with the train. अब हमारे पास trains हैं which run through electricity and diesel. Trains like bullet trains and GTV trains, trains with great speed. All right. So life became very fast and easy with the help of these inventions. Other invention we will continue in the next classes. For today, after watching this video, read this by yourself also and try to solve the exercises. Study nicely, prepare yourself for exam. Have a good day.